Hello, myself Professor H.K. Bangare, Department of First Year Engineering, SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Evala. I welcome you in video lecture series of Basic Electrical Engineering of First Year Engineering course. We are discussing on DC circuits. Today we will discuss the fundamentals of the DC circuits. In that we will see the different definitions associated with the DC circuit. So the very first definition is of a node. So the electrical network or electrical circuit, it consists of number of elements, electrical elements along with different electrical energy sources. They are connected with each other and form a complex network. So in that, we'll define the different terminology related with that complex network, and the first definition is of node. So what is a node? So any point where two or more circuit elements are connected together, so that point is nothing but it is called as a node. So it's simply the junction point of the two different elements. That is nothing but the nodes. So wires usually have negligible resistance, and each node has one voltage with respect to ground. So different elements are connected with each other, and the connecting point, the common point in between that two elements is called as the node. Next definition is of a branch. So circuit element between two nodes, a circuit element between two nodes is called as the branch. Next definition is of loop. It is a collection of branches that form a closed path returning to the same node without going through any other nodes or branches twice. So the loop is a closed path that is traversing from the different branches, and no branch will be repeated twice, or no node will be repeated twice. That is nothing but a loop. Now, let's take an example here. How many nodes and branches and loops are there in this figure? So we know, first we'll see how many nodes are there in this diagram. So before that, let us revise the definition of the node. What is a node? Node is a common point between the two elements. It is a point where two or more circuit elements are connected together. So here R1 and R2 is connected together. Means this is a node. Again R1, R3 and R2 are connected with this point. So this is again a node. This is again a node. But these 1, 2 and 3, they are common to all. That's why this is a one single node, we can say. It is a one single node. Okay. Again, Vs source is connected with R1 element, means this is a node. Okay. So similarly, there are 1 and 2 nodes are there. Okay. Now next is how many branches are there. You see, this is one branch, this is another branch, this is another branch. What is branch? Let us see that definition. A circuit element between two nodes. Circuit element between two nodes means this is node and this is node. Means this R1 is one branch. This is node and this is a common ground node. Okay, so this is a branch. Then this node and this common node. This is branch R2. R3 is again one more branch, and this IS voltage source VO, it is one node with connected with one common node. So it is again a branch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 branches are there. Now next is how many loops are there. So loops is nothing but the closed path traversed from these branches, and no one node will be repeated twice. So this is one loop, this is another loop, this is another loop, third loop, and this is one. If you see closed, then this is a closed path again. So this is one loop, and this is one loop, this is one loop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 loops are there. Okay, so in this way there are nodes, branches and loops are there. So let us see again here. See, these are the In circle are the nodes 1, 2, and 3. This is a common node. Okay, ground node, reference node, we can say. So 3 nodes are there. Similarly, branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches are there. Then next is loops. See, this is one loop, this is second loop, third loop. Okay, so like this, there are the 3 loops are there. Thank you.